Hello, this is Tracy Ensminger. This is my professional goals for practicum. Here's a little bit about me. I grew up in Wellsville, Kansas, and I graduated from Emporia State University with my Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, K through 6. My first years of teaching I spent in Emporia, Kansas, USD 253. I taught several grade levels and also spent 2 years in special education. I then moved to Western Kansas and taught for 1 year at Ashland, Kansas, which was USD 220. That was a 6th grade class, and I taught all subjects. I loved being there. Also kind of had a lot to do with my decision on attending Fort Hays eventually. I moved back to Emporia and took a teaching position in Osage City, Kansas, also teaching 6th grade, where I taught just English, language arts, and communications. That was USD 420. And I'm currently teaching at USD 284, Chase County. It is a nice environment. I teach first grade, so that's been a big adjustment, but I really enjoy it. They're really great there, very supportive. I live in Emporia, Kansas. I live out in the country, and country living is great. I prefer that. And I raise chickens as a hobby. That has been fun as well. My personal goals: in 1 to 5 years, I would like to run in a half marathon, visit Italy, and get into coaching. That's something I've really had a desire to do. I played basketball and volleyball in high school, so that's something I'd like to get into. Personal: in 6 to 10 years, I'd like to raise a bucket calf, add on to my house. I currently live in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath out in the country, and it does need another bathroom. And also, then I would like to run in a marathon. And personal: in 10 plus, I would like to pay off my house. My professional goals: in 1 to 5 years, I want to become a mentor teacher. That's something that's very important to me, and that's probably something I will participate in through Emporia State this summer and become a mentor. I also, of course, in 1 to 5 years, want to become a principal, but I definitely want to get some mentor experience under my belt because I think that will also help me as a principal. In 6 to 10 years, I plan to continue my journey of lifelong learning. I'm currently looking into the educational specialist program at Fort Hays and potentially a superintendent position. It's not my driving force, but if the good Lord wants me there, I would certainly step up. And in 10 plus years, I would like to teach college courses. That is something I've had on the back burner for a while and would definitely help me become stronger in my position. And why I chose Fort Hays: it was recommended by colleagues, especially when I was in Ashland. Several of the teachers I worked with had students, had their own children going there that were students, and they also had attended Fort Hays, so it really came with a good recommendation. And I liked that it was an accelerated program because I've definitely taken advantage of that. When I decided to get my master's degree, it was something I wanted to get done as quickly as possible. And the tuition cost, it's been very good for the education I've got. It's been very well priced. All in all, I've enjoyed my time there, and I'm really looking forward to getting the practicum done. I really hope that as we are going through our practicum, we can kind of rely on each other for support and help, as we are supposed to be collaborators. And I appreciate you watching my video, and have a great day.